Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arsalan and today we are on day 5th of building the problem solving skills with the help of Python using Boolean data types. Now if you are very new to this channel, very new to this playlist, let me give you a very brief introduction of what this playlist is all about. So in this playlist we have been building problem solving skills with the help of Python, and we started from a very basic question. As you can see on the screen where we have solved a very basic question, we have been solving actually very basic question and then we have increasing the bar like anything. Now we are moving to difficulty level, as you can see, and we will be solving question which will be string prefix checker. Now this question is very similar to the question which we have solved on day 4. The only difference is that it was checking ends with, now it will be checking start with. Now we will be using function as a starts with to solve this question. I have already given you the hint, and if you understood this question you can just solve it on your own first, and if you do so that will be really great that you are solving it on your own. Now just before starting this tutorial guys, please do subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell icon button and bookmark the playlist so that you can get the updates from the channel. Now let's take a function that will be checking prefix checker. Now I will be taking two arguments here. First of all, it will be taking str1, and second of all, it will be taking str2. Now, if you do not know what is a prefix checker, let me just give you a clarity here that it checks whether the some string is starting from or not. Now, if I take an example of the question which we have solved on day 4 in my yesterday class. So this is my input, and if I want to check if it is starting from MA, that is MA, so it will be checking whether it's starting from MA or not. So this is my first input, that is mango, and I'm checking that it is starting from MA or not. So if mango is starting from MA, then return be true. If it is not starting from MA, which is, let's say I have take if I take MR instead of MA, so it will be returning me false value. So hope you have understood this question, and hope you will be you can already solve it on your own, and if you do so that will be really great. Now let's get back to the question, and we will be just writing a logic here checking that if str1 dot starts with str2, return true, else return false. Now I will be printing this value prefix checker, and I will be taking mango as my first str argument, and then second str argument will be my MA, and this will be manually giving me if I check it manually, it should be giving me value as true. And second one, if I check instead of MA, if I check MR, that should be giving me a false value. Now one more argument I'll be passing here, that will be case sensitive value. If I check MA, that is of course starting from it should be MAN. Now the first value should be returning me true, but the second value should be returning me false. Because why? Because it is definitely starting from M, and second one is also starting from M, but this M is a capital M, this M is a small m. Now this you should already know that these strings are case sensitive. So if you want to compare these two strings, they should be in the same case. Now let's just run this code and check it with the program whether we have done it correctly or not. So you can see that we are getting the correct value. Now let's cut this value and run it again, and you can see that we are getting true false, so which is what we have returned and printed manually. Now this was all in the question guys. Hope you have understood this question. You can do it one more way, which is one line code. You can just write return str1 dot starts with str2, and this will also give you the same result as it was giving you previously. So let's just run this code and see whether we are getting the output as we have expected or not. So it's saying that it starts with, so I have written a wrong spelling of starts with, that is what the error is coming up here. So let's just delete this and run afresh. Now you can see that I'm getting true, false, false. So this is what we were expecting. Now this one line code is optional. If you wish to, you can write it. If you do not wish to, you do not have to write it. It's not a mandate thing. But if you write it, there will be less code. Um, you will be writing. All right. So this is what the benefit is of writing this. Now hope you have understood this question, guys, and if you do so, please guys do comment in the comment section that you have understood this question, and please do share it with your friends that so that they can also get benefit from this playlist. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and see you next time.